everyone, my name is Srinidhi. I study in first standard. Today I am going to show you how to bake eggless cake. So, shall we start now? Okay. So first we need all the ingredients, and those ingredients are milk, oil, butter, melted butter. Melt the butter on the gas, and then vanilla essence, and now take powdered sugar and some flour, and last of all ENO, and take 1 spoon in one. You can take a spoon in one big bowl, even like this. Next, we need to take little. So now, I'll take one small cup milk. Put it in the bowl full, and then we'll put full oil, and only little we need to save, and put this melted butter in this. Then only few drops vanilla essence. Little glass of few drops of vanilla essence. Now we need to add this powdered sugar. Full powdered sugar. Now flour. Oh, sorry. Now we need to mix it very well. Okay, now we already put this. Now I'm adding flour. We need to just put in and now again we need to now mix it well. I paused the video. Now put some ENO which we took, and again mix it. Now I'll take one. Now put all of the oil in this and spread it very well. Even we need to spread this oil at the side, not only in the middle or not only in the here. Now we'll spread some flour like this. So even we need to shake and spread. Now add all of this batter in it. Now I put it. Now we need to tap it nicely. Means all the bubble air which are in there will release. So now I just took preheated pan and I put in it some salt, so much salt, and then I put in it one stand, and then we need to put in it the batter. So now I have put in this preheated pan the batter. Now we need to just wait, and after some time, after half an hour, it will be a cake, and then it will be ready. You can decorate it if you have some cream, means which we can. After half an hour, the cake will be ready. So now our cake is completely baked. Now we'll see with this knife. See, nothing has stick to this knife, means our cake is completely ready. Now you can see here how spongy it is. And if you want to make it a chocolate cake, so you can pour syrup on the cake. Then, and you can decorate it also with chocolate sauce. Now you can see how spongy it is by cutting it. See how spongy it is. See? The taste is so yummy, delicious of this cake. Now we'll decorate this cake. Now, first you need to take this chocolate syrup up in one spoon. If sugar syrup. If it's hot, you can take it in a spoon and decorate it like this. We'll put on this after After this go in this hole, we can put. I pour. Now we'll pour this chocolate syrup. Whoa. So now I have put in it. I make the hole for going in the chocolate. The chocolate syrup can go in the hole. Now see how delicious it looks, and I make some lines also on the side. Now I'll show you how delicious it looks. It's very delicious. If you love this video, please like it and subscribe it. If you subscribe it, you can see more channel of us. Bye. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.